With a minimalist design concept, J-Smart replaces the button and the screen surface with a purely white matte surface, being more technological and fashionable. The decorative strip surrounds 3 sides instead of 1, which makes it tri-dimensional. The clearance of the joint face is the panel narrowed down from 1mm to 0.3mm, leading the industry. By perfect bonding, the whole appearance stands the most critical test. With attractive appearance, J-Smart is also an intelligent air conditioner with strong functions. You can realize real-time interaction with it via IVR using intelligent hardware under Wi-Fi environment. Wherever you are, you can remote control your J-Smart on your phone. In addition, J-Smart can automatically filter out PM 2.5 pollution in the air and generate cleaner and healthier air. The second generation of intelligent light sensation technology makes you sleep better as the screen darkens and the buzzer lowers noise when the indoor lighting is dimming. Moreover, J-Smart is able to automatically reduce the air velocity, lower working noise and improve quality of sleeping based on settings and environment. Applying the latest second generation self-cleaning function, J-Smart improves the capacity of the deep cleaning evaporator, achieving higher efficiency. And at the same time as the first generation, the condenser in the outdoor unit has the function of automatic cleaning, internally and externally, for air refreshing. Being a milestone of manufacturing technology, J-Smart is technically innovative in all aspects with 50 patents and 10 inventions. The overall structural design maximizes modularity and efficiency to faster achieve assembly, installation, maintenance, matching and more savings. With the increasing popularity of Wi-Fi IoT technology, we have released the new plug-and-play Wi-Fi control technology, which can satisfy diversified demands from the global market. Meet diversified demands in the world. Besides, the removable design of J-Smart makes it possible to mount the inner unit before connecting pipes other than traditionally ground operation before wall mounting, which improves the efficiency by over 30%. Arguably, J-Smart has the strongest outdoor unit by far. With the help of the CFD technology and multi-dimensional test, J-Smart's refrigeration pipe has the world's strictest stress standards to achieve double the lifetime. J-Smart is able to work normally under the voltage of 130 to 270 volts, and even under the extreme conditions of 60 degrees and 35 degrees centigrade due to its 65 Hz high-frequency startup technology. Its compressor is equipped with the low Freon protection system. In the case of refrigeration leak, the air conditioner reports an error code and shuts down, which highly assures safety during use. Dust-proof, damp-proof and insect-proof treatment are especially added for hot and humid regions to improve the lifetime of air conditioners. Literally speaking, J-Smart is far ahead of the industry in terms of reliability and safety. J-Smart realizes so many technological breakthroughs. One example is non-deformable double air guide door design and fin-shaped air guides with bionic design for blowing evenly and quietly. Replacing the traditional screw, the sealing knob finishes everything by just one key, saving time and effort. Another example is that J-Smart has a smooth inner panel, which makes both side A and side B delicate. We have been pursuing the ultimate all the time. We expect that the world will marvel at its beauty and delicacy, and our state-of-the-art technology will bring comfort and convenience to the world. That is why J-Smart comes into being. Although J-Smart is far ahead of the industry in all aspects at present, it is just the starting point for us. Innovation makes progress.